I remember when we were little, that's what we used to do for our mom. When she comes back from the market and maybe she's going somewhere or whatever, she will tell us to prepare these things and keep. When she comes back, she will do the cooking, and that makes it a little bit easier. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Choma Fortune, on her channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're a returning subscriber, if today is your first time of seeing this face, please do not make it your last. Okay, hit the subscribe button, the red button, hit it so it turns white. Thank you. So in this video, I'm going to be listing out the things I don't like doing as an African wife. I don't have choice. I have to do them, or maybe outsource. Yes, from time to time I outsource cleaning of my house, but what about the other things? How many things are you going to outsource? It's well with us. So in this African marriage, it's well with us. Okay, so let's start from the number one. The very first one, they said, if you're a woman, you must do. I don't like cooking. That's my truth. I'm being sincere. Anyway, those who know me know I don't like cooking, but being a wife, I have to cook. It's against my will. It's against my wish. If I have my way back, I will not be cooking. Yes. The second one is market runs. You see, going to market, sorry for another day. Where I'm living, it's not easy to outsource. But if it's somewhere like Lagos, Abuja, Enugu, those cities, there are many people now who have established business. Go do market runs for people, you pay them. But where I'm staying for now, such services are not available. And then even if they are available, most times they may not be able to buy the kind of things you use or the kind of things you would like to use. Okay, so for now I'm stuck with going to the market against my will. It's stressful for me. I don't like bargaining. Like, I feel like they always cheat me. I don't know how to bargain very well. Like, most times when I buy something, someone will be like, why did you buy this amount? You did not price well. But I priced. Okay, I priced. I checked various shops before I ended up buying what I bought. But the person will tell me that they cheated me. And then the third point, still on food matter, I don't like preparing food stuff for cooking, like cocoyam, pepper, vegetable, okra, wash meat, cook meat, select crayfish, round. Now I don't like cooking, but if I will see someone that can prepare those things for me to cook, I don't mind. But thank God for kitchen equipment, thank God for kitchen hacks. It's life is getting easier, unlike those other days. Okay, so the next point, one of those things I don't like doing is washing plates. Those that speak plenty, they say doing dishes. I don't like doing dishes. That's one of the things that used to cause quarrel between I and my husband. I don't like doing dishes. I will just leave the place there in the sink. But my husband will be like, don't leave place in the sink, always wash them. But where is the strength? Where is the passion? Where is the zeal? So when he's around, he helps me very well. That's it. Then the next point is ironing clothes. This is one of the reasons why when I'm buying clothes, I'm very specific about the texture, the material they use to make the dress. I don't buy clothes that need ironing, like cotton materials. No matter how fine the dress is, I will not buy, because I don't have strength to iron, and I will not wear a rumpled dress. So I try to buy the materials, all those ones that if you wash it, you spread it, you hang it inside, or you fold it. When you open it up, it remains fine. I don't have shirts. I think I have only one Zara shirt, and it's too the rumple. So I don't even wear it all the time, because anytime I want to wear it, it is rumpled. And where is the strength to iron? And the worst part of ironing is that these clothes, that when you are ironing them, after ironing the front side, when you turn them to iron the back side, when you are done, you turn it back again, you see that the front side that you've ironed has rumpled again. So what do? Thank God I married a man that likes dry cleaning his clothes. So what I do whenever we are together, or when I visit my husband, what I do is I wash all his clothes. Every dirty clothes I wash. When they're dry, he packs them and takes to the dry cleaner for ironing, and that settles it for me. To God be the glory. As an African woman, the last thing I don't like doing is sweeping the house. So you people know that it's bad manners to clean, like mop the floor without sweeping it. I have that bad manners. Yes. Whenever I want to mop my house, I find myself going ahead to mop. But I'm supposed to sweep first. I don't like sweeping. I don't know. Because is there any machine that sweeps house? No, not the one that mops, the one that sweeps. If there is machine that sweeps, please recommend. I don't like sweeping. I'm confessing. As I'm mopping, I'm using the mop to pack the sand. With this last point, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything you don't like to do that I mentioned, tell me in the comment section. I love reading from you guys. I love interacting. I love talking. Like when you comment, I'll know that you watched it, and then I know what you think towards the video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching me. Once again, you all are amazing, and I sincerely appreciate you. Bye. Mwah.